Have you ever walked into your bathroom and felt it didn't quite match your taste? Maybe it's the outdated fixtures, perhaps the lack of storage, or even the lighting just doesn't quite feel right. Designing a bathroom that aligns with your dream vision can seem challenging, but today, I'm here to help you navigate the process and create a space that's both functional and a true reflection of your personal style. Hello, my name is Sophia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and we have been designing and building custom homes in Northern Virginia since 2001. Today, we're talking about bathroom design and why the order in which you build matters. Start with tile, setting the foundation. The tile you choose sets the tone for your entire bathroom. It's not just a background element, it's a statement piece that dictates the bathroom's overall aesthetic. When selecting tile, first consider durability, maintenance, and style. Porcelain and ceramic tiles, for example, are popular for their versatility and resilience. On the other hand, marble or natural stone can also make a striking impact. Then, you want to think about color, texture, and size. Large format tiles can make a small bathroom feel more spacious, while mosaic tiles add intricate detail. Remember, the tile you choose will influence every subsequent design decision, so select something that resonates with your personal style and the functionality you need. Plumbing fixtures, the functional art. Plumbing fixtures are not only the workhorses of your bathroom, they're also an opportunity to inject style. From sleek modern faucets to classic ornate fixtures, the choices can seem endless. Consider the finish: chrome, brushed, nickel, matte black, or brass, and ensure it complements your chosen tile and overall design theme. Don't forget about functionality. Thermostatic shower valves maintain a consistent temperature, while low-flow toilets and faucets conserve water. Luxurious options like heated tubs keep your bathwater warm, enhancing your experience. Also, consider safety and accessibility. Grab bars in showers and near toilets can be both stylish and practical. Cabinets, storage with style. Cabinets are crucial for storage, but they also contribute significantly to the bathroom's look. Whether you prefer a floating vanity for a modern touch or a classic cabinet with intricate woodwork, your choice should harmonize with the bathroom's overall design and your personal aesthetics. Don't forget to consider your storage needs. Do you need lots of drawers for small items or larger cabinets for towels and bulkier products? Material and finish are also important. Moisture-resistant materials are a must in the bathroom. The right cabinetry can transform your bathroom from a purely functional space into a stylish sanctuary. Countertops, topping it off. Countertops are the icing on the cake. They should complement both your tile and cabinetry while providing durable and practical work surfaces. Granite and quartz are popular for their durability and range of colors. Consider the edge profile and thickness. These small details can significantly impact the countertop's overall look. Also, think about the level of responsibility you want in terms of maintenance. Some materials, like marble, require more care than others, like quartz, to keep your bathroom looking fresh and feeling timeless. Finish with lighting, setting the mood. Lighting a bathroom is all about balance. It needs to be functional, but also create the right ambiance. LED lighting is energy efficient and can come in various color temperatures, from warm to cool, affecting the mood of the space. Under cabinet lighting can add a soft glow and enhance the room's feel, while shower and over tub lighting should be bright enough for safety and functionality. Consider dimmers for overhead lights to adjust the atmosphere for different times of the day. Proper lighting can transform a bathroom from a purely functional space to a relaxing retreat. Designing your dream bathroom is a process that combines practical considerations with personal style. By starting with tile and moving through plumbing fixtures, cabinets, countertops, and then lighting, you can create a cohesive and functional space that reflects your unique tastes. Remember, a well-designed bathroom is not just about aesthetics. It's a space where function and form can coexist harmoniously. Thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.